Manufactured at our most advanced design, engineering, and manufacturing facility in Bialystok, Poland, with more than 60 engineers on site, we produce over 6 million coils and introduce more than 110 new products each year. It's why we can say with certainty that NAPA Echlin heavier-duty ignition coils are the product of superior design, manufacturing, and testing. Let's take a closer look. It's not enough to offer more than 800 coils and lead the market with 99% coverage. We're an expert manufacturer and proud of our process. We study the OE platform coils and identify flaws in many original designs that lead to failure, and engineer improvements to build a more reliable coil. Once our rigorous engineering phase is complete, we begin the advanced manufacturing process. The vertical injection molding machine produces the coil housing. And here, our automated horizontal injection station uses a robotic operator to place the high-voltage insert into the bobbin assembly. Primary and secondary copper wire ensure maximum voltage for peak performance, while high dielectric strength bobbins prevent voltage flashover for extended service life. Coil-on plug pinnings are inserted and the wires precisely wrapped around the terminal to complete a secure connection. In a carefully controlled environment, NAPA Echlin coils are then placed in a preheat oven to maintain temperature, remove moisture, and ready them for the potting process. Simultaneously, the hardener and epoxy mix is being prepared in temperature-controlled vats to maintain coil integrity. Our coil potting is performed in a vacuum chamber to eliminate all moisture, preventing air pockets that could create hot spots and lead to potential arcing. The coils then travel to one of our multiple curing ovens. Others may use continuous curing, but we employ a batch curing process, which provides better control during curing cycles, ensuring maximum coil insulation and durability. Once the manufacturing process is complete, our heavier-duty ignition coils are laser-etched with our logo, identifying them as genuine NAPA Echlin coils. All NAPA Echlin ignition coils undergo a full regimen of measurement and life tests, plus environmental analysis that includes water ingress testing, dust chamber, temperature climatic chamber, thermal cycling, endurance testing, thermal shock, and more. This is why technicians can install NAPA Echlin ignition coils with confidence. We always pay strict attention to the components, engineering, and manufacturing details to consistently deliver a superior ignition coil. It's the reason why a NAPA Echlin ignition coil looks right, fits right, and performs right.